Guys, welcome back to my channel. So obviously the setup is kind of different. If it's not really perfectly aligned, it might take me a few times to actually get it right, like a few videos. So sorry if it's not, but basically today I'm just gonna be chilling out and doing a makeup look. I have a few new products I haven't tried yet, but I know for the eyeshadow we're going to be doing this Carli Bybel palette, which I know it's not the newest palette. It came out a while ago. I got it a few months ago, and I've used it a couple of times, but I haven't done a video with it yet. There's quite a few palettes that have already been got since they launched, but I haven't done a palette yet. There's like the two Norvina palettes, volume 1 and 3. Yeah, 1 and 3, I have those as well, and I've just never done a video yet, so I figured I'll just start catching up on products I already have. Here it is. So I'm gonna go with the first shade on the second row called Bear, and it's kind of just a nude color. I'm gonna just hit that right under my brow bone. So I'm gonna go with the second shade in the top row called Bybel, and start packing it in the outer corner like this. So I'm gonna go back into Bear and just kind of blend this upper line out with it. I'm gonna go with the last shade on the first row. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I don't know what that means. So I'm gonna take like a very tapered brush, small tapered brush, dab it in, and like really lightly add that. Kind of just tap it in, and then go back to this with the Bybel shade. This palette doesn't really have like anything too dark in it. That's literally the darkest shade. So okay, so we're just focusing kind of on lip now. I'm gonna add a little bit more concealer. The shade I'm looking to go with is, I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it's OA, second to last shade on the top. I don't think you guys can actually see like all the colors and go back and forth. The kind of gleams different. I want to do the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm and poke this in here to brighten up, and a little bit like under my brow. Just know this is like more of just a glitter light. So I'm going to go back into the Carli Bybel. I'll just show a little bit. I'm going to go back into the shade Bybel and kind of pack it right on this outer corner. Okay, so I did my other eye, and now I'm just thinking of doing maybe a winged liner. So for mascara, I'm gonna try the sample of the Laura Mercier Caviar volume that I have. I don't know when I got it, but it's been a sample and I haven't tried it yet. So let's see. This is the original, not the dewy. And this is just the Dampen Real Technique sponge. I have been testing out the Tati Blendful. I did do a recording, but I had never uploaded it because I wanted to actually wait till I tried it more than just once. but I'm going to use my Hoola bronzer. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to use a blush I haven't used before. This is the Revlon blush in 001, and it's called Oh Baby Pink. So I'm going to use an angle brush for this. I'm going to take just like a tapered big fluffy brush and kind of lightly blend them together. The first one here. The whole packaging is metallic, so sorry if you can't see, but it'll be the first one right here. See how it hits? That's pretty nice. Okay, and so for lips, we're gonna go with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in one of her new shades. It's called Fussy. And then we're gonna finish off with our bottom lashes with the same mascara by Laura Mercier. Okay, so it's pretty much the entire eye look and all the new products and a few older products that I was using. I think it came out pretty nice. I didn't put lashes on, but I think it came out okay. Probably a bit more cool tone than I usually go, but I think it looks pretty nice. I was trying to use colors that I haven't used out of the palette really yet, and maybe were a little bit different. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Everything I did use will be linked in the description below, and I'll try to come out with more content soon. I'm thinking of just doing the Anastasia, the other Anastasia palettes, the Norvina Volume 1 and 3 videos, and a few other things that I haven't done any videos on, including the mini Jawbreaker palette that came with the Valentine's Deluxe mystery box from Jeffree Star. So besides that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.